a road that cuts through the heart of Patagonia. We left the hustle of Bariloche, passing through Nahuel Huapi, to dive into the silence of these water giants. Although the Nahuel Huapi is not officially part of the Seven Lakes route, it is our starting point. A giant that shaped the soul of this region and one we simply could not leave out. The Nahuel Huapi is an ocean of glacial waters. It prepares us for the grandeur to come on this journey across the mountain range. Lake Espejo. Heading north, we encounter Lake Espejo, located near Villa La Angostura. It occupies a tectonic glacial cavity, surrounded by dense forests of coihus and cypresses. Its water, almost motionless, is so clear that under the right light, the horizon vanishes. Lago Correntoso. In beautiful Villa La Angostura, we arrive at Lago Correntoso. Famous for being connected to the Nahuel Huapi by the river of the same name, one of the shortest and most beautiful in the world. Its waters seem to pulse with a unique vitality, inviting the eye to follow the crystalline flow of this river that unites the giants. Lago Villarino Falkner. Further ahead, on the way to San Martín de los Andes, divided only by a narrow isthmus, they display distinct personalities. While the Villarino preserves a deep mystery in its emerald tones, the Falkner shines under the sun, displaying a vibrant blue that seems to emerge from the earth itself. Geologically, both occupy depressions carved by glaciers, which explains the extreme purity of their waters and the richness of the local fauna, serving as important refuges for the trout that inhabit their depths. Lake Lácar. The journey finds its final embrace at Lake Lácar in San Martín de los Andes. But the memory of the color of its waters remains. Technically, the Lácar is a lake of glacial origin, formed by ancient ice excavations that left a deep valley, reaching a maximum depth of 277 meters. The Seven Lakes route holds other secrets that we have saved for a future expedition.